Hi everyone. CRM and Deals is the app for tracking purchasing processes and keeping all sales information in one place. However, after the app is installed, you can get confused about how to check its work. In this video, we're going to show you the steps to perform while checking the app's workflow. So, let's get on with it. At first, go to Deals in the app section, scroll to the bottom of the Pipelines drop-down list and create a new pipeline. Then name your it and add as many stages as you need. We added 4 stages and named them. Finally, save the changes. Then, push the Add New Deal button on the upper right corner of the page to create a test deal. Next, fill in all required fields: contact name, deal name, value, set pipeline stage, and deal owners, or click on Take it to become an owner. You can also add the expected closing date, organization name, and select a product if you have created it in the Products tab. You may also add custom fields, but we will talk about it in other videos. Don't forget to click on Create Deal button. So, now move your deal through the board and drop it to Won or Lost section. We selected one. Then go to the filter and select All Won Deals. You may see your test deal there. Also, select the Reports page and check the statistics. If you find your deal in both places, in Won Deals charts and in the pipeline filter, that means the app passed the first simple check. This was the last step. However, we prepared more CRM and Deals guides for you to watch soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more guides and learn more info about our other apps, themes, and services. And visit GrowthDot.com.